Hello, my love. Welcome to my channel. I'm Yasha, and today I'm going to talk about law of attraction and what it actually is. So, law of attraction is just another tool to manifest whatever you want in this lifetime. So, we know a common quote or a well-known quote is like attracts like. Everything in the universe, you, me, this chair, the stars, is made of energy. And energy is never still, it's always moving. The movement is what we call vibration. Now, vibration happens at different speeds. The rate of that vibration is what we call frequency. So, energy is the substance, vibration is the movement, frequency is the speed of that movement. When you feel emotions like fear, guilt, or doubt, your vibration slows down. That's a low frequency. And when we feel love, gratitude, joy, happiness, our vibration speeds up or raises. That's a high frequency. So if you're focusing on lack, you will attract more lack. But if you're focusing on abundance and feeling as if it's already yours, you will naturally align with people, situations that bring you more abundance. You are not just a body living in the universe. Your energy in constant vibration tuned to a frequency. And the law of attraction is simply the universe giving you back what you are broadcasting. So when we say everything is vibrating at a certain frequency, it means that the entire universe is like a giant symphony of vibrations, and each thing, including you, is playing its own note. That's why when your vibration matches what you desire, you attract it. When your vibration clashes with something, you feel resistance or disharmony. We live in a vibrational universe. Everything is vibrating at a certain frequency. In fact, your thoughts, your feelings, everything has a vibration. That's why we say that raise your vibration. What is low vibrational? The negative thoughts, the negative feelings, the negative words that we say. Those are all low vibrational. It makes us feel so bad, isn't it? And what is high vibration? When we talk positively, when our thoughts are positive, when we feel good, isn't it? I just want to do a little experiment here. I want you to tell out loud these sentences. Say that my life is horrible. I hate myself. I hate this life. People are so mean. Now, tell me, how do you feel inside? Does that makes you feel good? Absolutely not. It makes you feel bad because it is low vibrational. And what happens when we are at a low vibrational state? When we are feeling negative, thinking something negative, that means we are going to attract negative experiences into our life. As much as we hate those negative experiences, we will attract those things because those things are at the same frequency as such negative thoughts and feelings are. Now, I want you to say these sentences out loud. I am lovable. I am worthy of the best things that life has to offer. My life is amazing. Good things happens to me all the time. Now tell me, how do you feel? How does that feel? Those words contains positive vibrations, and you could feel that because you could feel the good feelings when you just said it, isn't it? To feel good is to feel God. I heard a YouTuber say that, and I love that YouTuber a lot. And I love that quote. To feel good is to feel God. You are a magnet. You are constantly attracting various things into your life, rather manifesting various things into our life. Sometimes it's great positive things that we are attracting, it's positive experiences, and sometimes horrible things happens to us which makes us feel, why are we so unlucky, why this happened to me, why that happened to me. And it's all right to feel like that. But you know what? In the past, there might have been terrible things that happened to you, and I'm truly sorry about it. You can cry, you can be sad, you can be angry about it, but you'll have to let it go because your past cannot direct your future. Because whatever you thought about in the past, your current reality is just reflecting that. If you change whatever you're thinking, whatever you are feeling, and the words you're speaking, I can promise you, you can change your life. Because whatever you have thought, it has become repetitive and turned into your belief system. And whatever your belief system is, that becomes your dominant thought. And therefore, that dominant frequency or vibration is going to attract those negative things if it has been negative. Also, the other side is, if you can rewire your mind, your belief system into a positive one, automatically you're going to start attracting positive things. And it is not that difficult. It is very easy to do that. Everything starts in our mind in the form of thoughts. When we have thoughts, then that thoughts become our words. And those thoughts and words together makes us feel a certain way. And whenever you're feeling negative, any time that you're feeling negative, you are emitting negative vibration into the universe. And whatever is in that frequency, you are going to start attracting that. And trust me, it is not going to be good. Shame, guilt, anger, negativity, all of this has low vibration. All of this. When you say, oh, everybody treats me so badly, maybe they have, it doesn't matter anymore, because whatever thoughts, whatever feelings, whatever words you choose for yourself today is going to reflect in the future. If you keep on repeating the same thing that you have said in the past, the thoughts that you've nourished in the past, negative ones, it's reflecting right now, it will reflect in the future as your reality as well. And we do not want that. Who wants a negative life, negative experiences? Nobody. So we have to change our thoughts, our words. Whatever happened. It cannot happen again in the future. You won't let that happen. I won't let that happen. Therefore, from today onwards, you are going to start saying positive things. In the manifestation community, we say that you have to feel those things before you see it in your reality. You have to see it in your mind before you can see it in your reality. If you say that my life is amazing today once and you expect to see a major change tomorrow, do you think that is going to happen? Sometimes yes, but most of the time no. You know why? Because we already have turned a big or a thick blanket like belief system of negativity already. That's why so many bad experiences are happening in our life. To change that, it takes only 21 days, and keep doing that as long as you want, because you want to create a thick blanket of positivity into your life so that you can attract good things automatically, easily, effortlessly. And that's my target. That's the entire reason of me making this channel, so that I can make manifestation easy for you, so that you can live the life of your dreams, because you absolutely deserve it. I believe in you. You have to believe in yourself, because you absolutely have the power to live the best life possible. It is possible. So, getting back to your original quote, that like attracts like, whatever vibration you're sending into the universe, you're going to get it back in return. As simple as that. If you think positively, if you can talk positively, you are going to feel positive about it. There is no doubt about it. Keep on doing it. That's it. The only way to change your life is to change your thoughts and your words. Once you change your thoughts, your words is going to change. And once your words and thoughts changes, your feelings are bound to change. There is no other way. And once you change your own vibration, the universe has no other option than to reflect it back into your life in the form of your reality, which is going to be great, positive. Okay, so what is law of attraction then? Law of attraction is simply whatever you are giving attention and focus to, it's going to get attracted into your life, whether it is positive or negative. Okay, so make sure that you pay attention, put all your focus on the things that you really want, and do not pay any attention to the things that you don't want. For example, if you say that I want to lose weight, so what are you focusing on? On your weight. You won't be able to lose that weight. If you want to lose weight, you are simply going to say, I am already thin. I am at my perfect weight. That's how you say it. That's how you manifest. You're not going to pay attention on the negative things. If you hate something, you're not going to talk about it. You are going to pretend like it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist in your reality. That means you're not giving any attention, any focus to that negative things. That means you're not going to attract that into your own life. But if you pay attention to something, whether you like it or not, you are going to attract that into your life without even knowing about it, that you are attracting it into your life. So if you like something, give all your attention. If you don't like something, don't give any attention. Ignore its existence. You buy things with your energy in this world, in this universe. Another thing to keep in mind is gratitude. Feel grateful for all the things that you already have while you're manifesting all the things that you desire. Okay? It's easier that way. It's going to raise your vibration. Joy, happiness, all this are high vibrational feelings. When you feel happy, when you feel joyful, when you feel grateful, it feels great. When we complain, when we feel negatives, it feels bad, and we get back into a negative spiral. We do not want that. We are going to break free from all those negative things that happened in our past, and the only way to do is to create new patterns of thoughts. I know you can do it. Anyone can. And you absolutely deserve the best that life has to offer. I truly believe that. If you initially don't feel good and it seems like, oh, I'm just faking it, those are not my reality, I always had a bad life. Okay, initially it might feel like that, but fake it till you make it. Your mind doesn't knows the difference between reality and imagination. Therefore, negativity breeds so quickly within us, because every time you choose to think about something horrible, it becomes a part of our belief system, and it starts attracting all those negative experiences. Going back, your future is bright. Use law of attraction. Like attracts like. Always say in present tense whatever you're trying to manifest. Like, I already have my dream job, I already have my dream car, I already have everything that I ever desired in my life, I am the happiest person alive. These are affirmations. To manifest anything using law of attraction, use visualization. What is visualization? Close your eyes and imagine as if you already have your dream or desired reality right now. When you're writing or saying affirmations, affirmations are also very powerful. You can simply say, I already have this and that, whatever you're planning to have. And if you're manifesting anything, basically all manifestation works equally well. You can choose one manifestation technique or all of them. And if nothing, you don't want to use any manifestation technique, no problem at all you have to do is feel positive, and naturally your life is going to be 10 times easier. Remember, feeling is the secret. I already told you the secret, and it is your responsibility to feel good. Okay, initially, even if you don't feel good, to not be worried, because I have also made another video. It's called Robotic Affirmations. You can check that out as well. There I talk about feeling is the secret, but even if you don't feel initially good about your life, you're fully feeling negative, and that's all right. No judgment here. We have all been there, done that. So in those cases, just keep on repeating affirmations. So no problem, nothing at all. You'll eventually start feeling good about your life. You will. And the universe always says yes. The universe always says yes. So make sure that you give your attention, your power to the good things, the things that you want, the things that you love, the things that you appreciate. Okay? This is a vibrational field. You are not just a passive observer, but a transmitter and a receiver. In a vibrational field, what you tune yourself to is what you experience. Let's say you have opened Netflix and you have plenty of options for movies. Now, if you select Conjuring, that's the movie you are going to watch. And obviously, it's not going to be a comedy movie, it's going to be a scary or a horror movie. Therefore, whatever movie you select, if you want to watch a comedy, you have to select that kind of a movie. So if you want to see any change in your life, you have to change the way you think and the way you say things. Repetition strengthens your frequency. So talk or think positively or negatively, it's going to affect your life. So make sure you keep on repeating all the positive affirmations that you can. Keep doing that. What do you have to lose? Nothing, and a whole world to get. So why not take your chance? Why not take the shot? Just do it for yourself, because you know you deserve the best that life has to offer. And I never get tired of saying this again and again. You know you can, don't you? If you didn't want a major change in your life, you wouldn't have clicked in this video and kept on watching. Good things are going to happen to you because that's what you will choose for yourself from now onwards.